Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore pump set manufacturing techniques, processes and applications. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Pump sets are essential components in various industries, providing efficient fluid transfer and management. The manufacturing processes involves precise techniques, careful material selection, and rigorous testing to ensure optimal performance and reliability. This guide provides an overview of pump set manufacturing, covering design, materials, processes, and applications. Manufacturing processes. The manufacturing process involves several stages, starting with the design and engineering, where computer-aided design software (CAD) creates detailed designs and simulations. Material selection follows, considering factors like durability, corrosion resistance, and cost. Casting, machinery, and assembly are subsequent steps, with testing and quality control measures ensuring the pump set's performance, pressure, and leak integrity. Design and engineering. Design and engineering involve creating detailed designs, simulations, and prototypes to optimize pump performance, efficiency, and reliability. This stage utilizes computer-aided design software (CAD), computational fluid dynamics (CFD), and finite element analysis (FEA) to analyze stress, flow, and vibration. Material selection. Material selection is critical in pump manufacturing, considering factors like durability, corrosion resistance, cost, and weight. Common materials include cast iron, stainless steel, bronze, and composites. Casting. Casting involves pouring molten metal into molds to create pump components like casings, impellers, and volutes. Sand casting, investment casting, and die casting are common techniques. Machining. Machining involves cutting, drilling, and shaping components to precise dimensions using computer numerical control (CNC) machines. Assembly. Assembly involves combining components, installing seals, gaskets, and bearings, and aligning shafts and impellers. Testing. Testing evaluates pump performance, pressure, flow rate, and leak integrity. Techniques used. Various techniques are employed in pump manufacturing, including sand casting, investment casting, forging, welding, CNC machining, 3D printing, and heat treatment. Pump set components. Key pump set components include impellers, casings, shafts, bearings, seals, and motors. Quality control measures. Quality control measures ensure pump reliability and performance. Industry applications. Pumps serve various industries including water supply, irrigation, oil and gas, chemical processing, power generation, and industrial processes. Advancements. Advancements in pump manufacturing include energy efficient designs, advanced materials, smart pumps with sensors and controls, additive manufacturing, and IoT integration. Challenges. Challenges in pump manufacturing include material corrosion, wear and tear, efficiency optimization, noise reduction, and cost reduction. Pump set manufacturing requires precision, expertise, and attention to detail to ensure efficient and reliable performance. By understanding the manufacturing process, techniques, and applications, industries can optimize pump selection, installation, and maintenance. Continuous advancements in materials, designs, and technologies will drive innovation in pump manufacturing, meeting evolving industry demands and challenges. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.